What's up, guys? Today, I'm gonna get you a little bit better focus. Today, we're gonna be picking up a supercharger. If everything goes well for my G35, I ended up finding one and made a deal. I kind of lowballed him, and he said, "Yeah." So we're gonna go hop in the Silverado and see if we can go pick it up today. It is a full Vortech V2 kit. Hopefully, the dude doesn't back out. But yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna record in there at his shop, just because I feel like that is the nicest thing to do for someone when you don't know someone. But yeah, let's give you a little co-star on the Silverado. But yeah, let's go see. Let's go pick up this kit. I'm gonna get something to wrap it on so I don't mess up the intercooler and stuff. But should be good. All right, guys, we are back. I did get the Pro Charger, intercooler piping, the air filter. Let me move this Joy-Con down. The little fuel pump, and then the piggyback, also the throttle body. I don't know if I'm still gonna use that or if I'm just gonna go with like a standalone tune. Not standalone, but a regular dyno tune, because I don't know if I really want to run a piggyback. I did get everything for this kit though. Intercooler piping, blower itself with I think that's an upgraded pulley already, so that's pretty cool. The intercooler, the Vortex blow off valve, or yeah, basically it's like a wastegate basically for these type of setups. So we basically got everything for the G, so that's pretty cool. I am excited to see. I think I'm gonna clean a lot of this stuff up. So there's some grind marks there, like hitting. Clean all these little clamps up. Probably put new ones on. Tying these bolts, they're all loose. And then the G's right over there. I'll let her bring it in and we'll see if we start marking things up. I don't know if I'm gonna install this as of now or wait on it, but it was a really good pickup. Yeah, so we'll see, guys. I am a little, just a little bit excited because I did want to boost either the Silverado or the G, and it came in time. But yeah, we'll see. All right, guys. I have not recorded in quite a while when I'm doing this Pro Charge build, just because it is pretty hard to do by yourself. Like, I don't think I would be able to record me holding this, and this thing's fucking heavy. We do have the mid pipe or the down pipe. We do have this. This was probably one of the hardest parts because of the AC lines, but we have a ton of clearance. I'm not sure if the belt is actually fully aligned, so I'm gonna have to work on that next. Other than that, the G is looking good. I am gonna start taking off the bumper. Start taking off the bumper and start putting the intercooler on right there. But I just wanted to give you guys a quick little update. But yeah, let me continue doing this and then show you guys. All right, guys. Well, the last few parts came in. I'm gonna flip the camera around right now. Let me go down. I ended up getting this from ZP. This is the oil pan spacer, and then this is the little spacer for the pickup tube. It's ports, and then I picked up a fitting for the drain that's gonna go on one of these sides. These are those, they're not AM fittings because they have an O-ring. They're ORG fittings. It came with the longer bolts, and yeah, we should have this running. I think I have them. Oh, let me see. Sorry, my someone's moving out of my house, so they're packing stuff. I also got 2 belts. I don't know what size I need. I stole these from work to see what size I need because I ended up getting a 935 and I think it's too long. So I have a 930 and a 923. It's a ½ inch smaller and it's like 1.5 inches, I believe. So we're gonna mount them up and then see which one works. Alright, guys, we are finally boosted and running. This thing's fucking loud. I don't know if I like it, but it does look pretty cool. There's a little exhaust setup. And finally, the car's callous, so it has test pipes. Let's get some exhaust clips for y'all. Alright, so let me see, my lighting should be better like right here. So what are the plans for the G? I think, let me see if I can get the G in the picture. Nope, I guess I can't. The plans for the G is to make a reliable 350 to 400 horsepower on it. I still do need injectors and a fuel pump, and then we're gonna get tuned by uprev, or someone through uprev, or I mean using the uprev software to get tuned someone. But other than that, it's been a really good car, man. I'll be honest. I've been driving it for a whole 3 to 4 weeks, almost a month. No tune. I don't get in boost. I only go to like 3,000 RPMs, and it's been perfectly fine. I think if anyone's looking to do a boosted G35, I got this kit for super cheap. I think turbo is still the way, but I paid less than $1,000 for this kit technically, so it's totally worth it for me to try it out. And if I don't like it, I sell it, make some money, and go boost. I already have the fuel system and stuff like that set up for it, so, and the tune, so it'll be pretty easy to do. Let's drive this thing around. I mean, I don't know what to show you guys really. You guys are just gonna hear the noises, I guess. All right, where I am, the noisy G35 with the AC blowing. That's one of the things I didn't want. I did want to be able to keep my AC, and with this setup, I am able to keep my AC and everything. What I hear something dragging. Yeah. I don't know if you guys get to hear the blower. But yeah, let me talk a bit with you. It's been great. Realistically, I haven't had no issues with the G. I've been able to drive it for a long time like this, I think. I think as long as I don't really get in boost, so anything over like 3,000 and up, I should be able to daily drive it. Yeah, I am dragging something, so let's head back home. I think it's something with the O2 sensors, maybe the wiring or something. I just put the test peps on last night and I really didn't check. This is my first test drive with them. But yeah, the car's been amazing with the blower. Makes all the cool noises. I think it's a lot louder from the outside than it is from the inside. So I'll probably have to... Okay. Yeah, something got unplugged because my check engine light just turned on. So hopefully we didn't mess up nothing. I'm guessing the O2 sensor got unplugged and it's where the connector goes, and it's just rubbing on the ground right now as we speak. Alright, we're almost home. Oh, I don't know if that was a bolt flying out or something too now. If it ain't one thing, it's another with this car, man. That's the beauty of cars, man. They always break down, I swear. Hopefully the check engine light isn't on for something weird. I'm guessing just because I went callous. That's my guess. Pulling into the house. I really didn't plan on working on the car today, if I'm being realistic. But yeah, let's check. Alright, let me jack up the car and then I'll show you guys. Alright, and just like I said, I already knew this was going to be an issue. I didn't double check yesterday, but my O2 sensors are all disconnected. So one thing I did want to show you guys was, well, I know we're gonna ask questions. So it took me a day to install this kit. I think the hardest part for me was keeping my AC. So I had to bend a few lines. Pretty much, that was about it. Bend a few lines, if you can see that. This is out of place. Keep it away from that right there. It's better if you install the charge pipe or the intercooler piping before you put the blower on, and then the blower has to be on the bracket to install it all together, because it's real hard if you don't. Also, I have an issue with this pipe. It keeps rubbing on that pulley, but I've seen a lot of people have that issue, so I'm just gonna get different piping made for it. My intercooler, you can't really see it. You can see the edges. It's really hidden. I really love it. It fit perfect behind the bumper, so that was cool with me. Yeah, I haven't had no issues. I can't wait to tune in and see if I have belt issues or if we can make any type of power. I also need to go get a little smaller belt because this has a lot of play. So that's next on the list. But other than that, it's been amazing, realistically.